Alright, conclusion, good company, I appreciate that, yeah. It's audible? It is! If you get a big enough one. I like popping oh, there's a car outside. I like popping pimples too. Or we can do chat questions, so... Oh, I got a burp. Don't hold back, this is what you've been up to the whole time? Yep. Up. Can you burp the ABC? No, no, I think I'm gonna vomit. I can't. I mean, sometimes it is. I'm gonna look the same mostly. I just... Well, not the same, but like... Like, the character itself will remain the same, you know? Should I go to the gaming screen? Oh. Yeah. Hold on. Okay, that doesn't work. Come on, that was at least a 6. That was at least a 6. Maybe sharding out of... Sharding out of 10? I'm gonna shard on you next time. Every time I fart, I'm gonna aim it towards you. I'm gonna turn around and aim it towards you. And that way, if I shart, it's gonna be on you. Oh well. Okay, next meme. Cooking for him. I'm fine with you sharding. I'm not gonna say nothing about your... bad cooking? Ooh. She's trying to move it? Is that what she said? Nah. So I just did it myself. You're welcome. Oni-chan. Competition at an anime event. Okay, okay. Thank you. I just thought that was really cute.
Does someone need a hug?
Me. Oh my god, are we gonna make another toy?
That's all. Good luck.
Okay.
Why do I talk to myself?
I got this. Okay. Fuck! Oh, this one's to go down. Okay. Oh. Is there some sort of timer? I was doing it right the first time? Oh. Can I get a TLDR? Oh, main gear removed. Well, I have a gear. Can I put it back? Put that in the fire? I'm confused. Okay, there. Now it shouldn't... now it shouldn't get cut off. What are you eating? I'm eating sausage rolls. From... Oh my god. Why do I have so many formatting issues? I don't know. What do I do here? Oh, is that me? And I don't bring food to the dead. Oh, did he do something wrong? I wasn't paying attention. If you need something, ask the workers there. I can't do anything for you, and I don't want to hear about these lies of starving anymore.
Are you gay? Why are you acting so gay?
No, I'm not angry. I'm just... Well, I don't care nor care that you care. I guess we're going to get plastic bags to put his dead body in. So when it was my turn to read my copy pasta, finally. You gotta kind of, you know. Okay, then what will we bargain with? I don't know that either. Nice. You're welcome. You're welcome. What's needed to finish this ritual? I did it! I did it! Did you hear that? I fucking did it! I farted! I didn't fart. I didn't fart in the mic. I hope you heard it. Please tell me you heard that, please! 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 Music, music, oh. Yes. So now what am I supposed to... Oh! Use the carpet. Use the carpet. You totally seem like an Invader Zim kind of girl. Maybe I do know what Invader Zim is. Hold on. Should I go talk to her one more time? Here, prove yourself by helping me. They're just gonna kick you out again. I know. Oh shit. I gotta fart again. I did it! The app is so fun, but
Long story, we got a dog.
is that what architect means? Finally, the last thing we're making is ketchup. Let me... At least I can move myself sometimes. Okay. Okay. Thank you. Do you know her name? The girl from Made in Abyss, right? I genuinely can't tell who that is. Is that Freddy Fazbear? It's a bald man, right?
Are you gay?
I don't understand. It was a vision for sure. There was like... You hear a car? I love drama too much not to talk about it. Am I tall enough to drive? I can use a booster seat. I was talking about you like Andy. Well, I like both of you. I want to see Andrew before we end. Okay, I'll try to get you to Andrew. I don't want it to be too complicated, but... I keep burping. But we'll see. There. Thank you. What does that mean? I'm not sure if they're crystals, I'm not gonna lie. I like the black ribbons, I like them too. That's the problem. Okay. I'm gonna explicitly say it now. I started... Grab them and break through the window. No. Okay, the floor drain seems a little clogged. Fuck. Okay. Dirty laundry. Right at the top sits some sexy lingerie. How uncomfortable. Why does it keep telling me? You consider shooting whichever parent just came in. But you can't offer the souls of the dead, so you hold off on that idea. Is someone there? It's nothing. Stop saying drip! It can't. Oh fuck, that burp really hit me. Oh fuck. Assuming. Wait, hold on. Well, hell. Oh fuck, every time I burp. Dude, every time I burp. Damn, what a bitch.